Okay.
Ready? Did it break?
Yes. Do we have tape?
Yes, we have tape. You can just get a new one from the front office.
No, those ones smell weird.
On the left.
On the left.
Let's take a field trip right
Keep
now.
going, keep going.
I'm so sorry I took lunch, but I love tomatoes and fruit cheese, so I'm just gonna have to forget that.
See, Will's thinking now.
He was thinking.
Will's definitely thinking of some stuff, and I like it. Oh my god, this looks so cool. Wait a minute.
Hey, this is a bad.
All right.
Wait.
Is that a half circle or?
Yes,
What was?
a semicircle.
Sorry.
Semi actually means half,
Yeah.
Yeah.
as does hemi.
You know, it could have looked worse.
So those are just the dimensions of the box.
Oh, what is it?
X, Y, Z part.
Yes.
Good enough.
All right, so we need an expression for the surface area and an expression for the volume.
Wait. What's the top? Now that looks good. Oh wait, which one's my top?
But what's that?
The surface area.
What's V in the little?
Sigma.
I just said it, Will.
Ligma.
Surface area.
Oh,
Ligma? What's Ligma?
Oh, it's
No.
tea time.
keep that.
Oh.
Well, see, we were so close. But then T.
I gotta
It's
have
a burden
some tea
wheel.
today.
Griffin, are you gonna try something different today?
I was really unhealthy.
Oh, we need this T.
I need,
You need the healthy T.
yes, I do.
I remember when I felt sick that one time, and then I had to tea. and that didn't help.
T does help, to be
This is
honest.
how I
Because
lost
apparently I
the
look
teeth for
really
my
white,
own
you
home.
know?
For me.
Ready?
Kind of what tea one. No, that's, window,
Oh, that's me.
I'll try.
Oh.
Get your water.
What you're coming to this jump shot.
You do that feel rough.
And? Oh, we all have Nick Smith.
Oh.
Nick freaking Smith. I'm already decked out. What?
Nickel.
I could do a nickel.
Will could come in as a walrus. What?
Oh, first round.
I
have ordered a giraffe onesie,
Tusk.
so we are ready.
Don't watch it.
Have you?
That's all that comes on
Wait, Tusk.
This man gets turned into a walrus.
Oh my
What?
god!
Don't watch it.
I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna watch it right
Can you
now.
watch the trailer? Actually, no, it's
Have
Have you ever
School.
seen Where the Wild Things?
there. Let me come back.
Megan is
Worst
busy.
movie
He
ever.
said we can watch it when we come back though.
It's like, it's gonna like, it freaks me out.
Wait, we can watch this, but we can't watch
Hey,
Burt
basically,
Kreischer?
Justin's like metamorphosis.
We should watch.
Wait, we can't watch the. We should watch.
He
He
gets like basically kidnapped by this old man who
You kidding?
has this,
needs a walrus.
This walrus gem.
I am
yeah,
the
this man is
walrus.
obsessed with this walrus that saved his life.
Aw.
Cute.
Not a nice story. So, and he's a serial killer.
Oh, that's cute.
But he likes the
Oh my
walrus.
God.
He cuts off
Walrus is
Jason Long's tibia and fibula.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Big moves. Does he
Turns
still
them into his own tusks. Like, sews it. Oh my god, it's so messed up. I don't even want to talk about it.
Oh my god.
I want
You
to
know,
watch it.
How we can watch
It used to
this,
be on Netflix.
but not
I don't
Burt
think it's
Kreischer.
anymore.
What's it called?
The
Tusk.
machine.
Okay.
I'm gonna look it up right now.
What, the machine?
I gotta see a
It's so
picture of this
disturbing.
guy with his tibula and fibulas.
I am the
He like shoots him into his own tusks.
That's pretty cool.
That's terrifying.
Not for
Horrible.
It's like a different kind of horror movie.
Hey, if we watch
It's
Burt
different.
Kreischer, we don't want to shut the door.
This is 14.
Yeah, that's Marvel.
There already
Some
were
swear words.
45% Rotten Tomatoes.
Oh,
Here's
that's
the-
not bad, something.
Oh my god.
Magician.
5.3.
Oh my
That's why it
god.
was fresh.
So sorry, that's just.
Petition Netflix to bring back Husky.
No! It's so
You want water?
Yeah,
Because you.
A little bit more water for me.
like that's his
Will
own
does.
skin and that's.
Will has the most possibilities for the most water. He has the most volume.
It's so disturbing. And like at the end of the movie, he legit thinks he's a walrus, and he ends up in like a rehab center.
What
For
happens?
walruses.
What happens to the serial killer?
He dies because
You're spoiling the whole movie.
Yeah, what's wrong with you,
Jeez.
Bella?
she's asking me.
I was gonna watch it.
I asked.
No, I was
He's
gonna
still
watch
watching.
I
He's still
am.
watching. He ends up in a rehab center for walruses
Okay.
because he thinks he's a walrus.
What's the expression for the surface area?
surface area.
I do square, so area
5xy.
5xy.
Is that square or what? Square or rectangle?
X, Y, Z.
Wait,
I love
it's
that.
actually.
Oh, so it's not a. So it's not a cube
3xy.
Yeah, so it's not a cube.
because they're all
Two.
different. So it's pretty much like a rectangular-ish thing.
3y.
So what is
And then
that?
it'd be,
Well, 3x.
so Z is next up.
Gross.
Like
So
three.
Z.
Like
What?
a
Ooh, so then the big side would be like
Oh my god.
half Z
We need some
Pi.
comedians. We need Bert Kreischer.
plus
Machine.
ZX.
Wait, what?
Don't play. Oh, bro. I like.
That'd be right.
I don't like
That's a
walruses like
semicircle, right?
Yeah, but notice you have two semicircles.
Yeah, so then,
Because I watched a
Maybe
video
one.
that was like 10.
It would be
well, I'm just
words
going each
together,
side.
Like you would rather die.
So it'd be
And
like
that was one of them.
X
I've never even heard this movie.
Z
People have watched
plus
Oh.
it. Just
pi
Wait.
Z.
Well, you know this is fake.
And be two of those.
well, I know even
Pi
if it's
Z?
fake, it's still
2 pi r. It's just 2 pi r because they're half.
We want surface area, right?
Yeah, so
So we want the area. Wait.
so area. Oh yeah, that's
Pi r
circle.
squared. That's it.
So half
That's it, because it's
Z
I
half.
understand why it's 3x1.
pi
Yeah, why is it
half
3x1?
Z
Because you have three of the
XY.
like three of the cube sides.
Do you really?
4 or 5.
For you guys.
Oh wait.
I don't know. I
Three.
just.
Yeah, what did
Oh
it be?
no, it's two.
I thought it was five,
It's
but
5.
It's two. And then
Okay,
the
so you're
one
only counting
that's
because you don't know if they're the
plus
same.
ZY.
Oh my god.
Wait, why is it?
Oh.
Oh! Oh!
ZY? Only one?
Yeah, because ZY is like the side that's
Plus
opposite
XZ
of
That
the
makes
plus
circle.
2xz.
But you're not counting like the top and bottom?
Yeah, you are. We just did that.
They just did, it's like the second part is the two X.
So it's not a
That'll be
cube.
like the top and the bottom.
Plus
But I don't know how you're
pi
supposed to do
squared.
your little semicircle.
The
If that's
No,
1/4.
pi.
Wait, why is there another plus?
not
Pi r.
not pi squared.
Pi r. Pi r.
Pi r squared,
Pi
right?
y.
Well, yeah, but
Pi
R
squared.
is Z.
But pi r.
Times
R
1.
is two, or R is half of Z, so that's why I said half Z pi
Oh, but you square the
squared.
radius.
And then pi r.
Why? It should just be pi r squared, right?
So it'd be pi half Z squared.
Yeah.
Ooh,
Which would be a quarter of z squared.
And
yeah, and then you have
pi r.
a half of that. Right? Oh, I guess you could just.
You have two of them,
Yeah.
so together they make a 4.
Okay, and then it would be.
Still
that-
pi r
Now we need
squared,
this
so I'm
bit
gonna
here.
go with pi r.
We need,
Yeah, so then that would be that same thing we just did times Y, right?
we want the circumference
Oh,
times
so
y, right?
So then it'd be
Pi r.
Z pi Z Y.
Yeah.
That was so much, man.
That's enough for you.
Towels thrown in. That's a lot of writing. My hand hurts.
Like I couldn't do that.
I need a banana. Your hands are cramping.
I can't stop thinking about
I
it.
think I have what was it?
I like that actor.
Mm-hmm.
We should watch it. fancy
We
movie.
definitely
It's not.
I
Wants
don't,
me.
I don't wanna watch it.
Or
You know what movie is scary? Is
Oh,
Human
Hammer
Centipede.
Mallet?
Oh, yeah.
That changed my life.
Which one?
All of them.
Wait, what?
We'll just leave it at surface area for now.
Nice.
I'm not gonna watch this.
Now I want to figure out, well, yeah, let's dump the tea bags, I guess.
Of the tea. Pretty much the colonials.
Oh, wait, check this out.
Stupid English.
Alright, ready?
Oh, the Boston Tea Party?
Yeah. Stupid English.
Your point of view when you raise taxes on tea.
English. George Drippington.
Why?
See if I make it.
And then,
My grandma.
and then we'll dress as Indians.
Nice. Good shot. Great shot.
George Drippington.
Ooh, it's close.
When you hear someone's about the duck tea.
All right. I want to know the rate at which
You hear someone about
the surface area changes as we expand Z.
Oh, you got, ooh, I know how to do this.
How do I do it?
You put your, DOCs in.
You can do it that way, yeah.
I don't like that.
What's the other one?
But you can take your derivative too, right?
Yeah, we can do implicit
We
differentiation.
should do that one instead, because I don't like the DOCs.
We're going to use dots.
Dots.
Right? Because we're dealing with X.
And so what happens as I expand Z? Does Y change? Does X change?
Possibly.
As Z,
I don't know.
yeah, X would change, right?
Would it?
I mean, if
Oh,
you
wait, no, no,
expand
no.
it, right? Don't they both?
And you ask us all the questions, but how do we know that you know this? Why don't
Yeah.
Oh. I like this thing.
I'm like, what do we do next, guys? Please, God, I hope they know the
that
answer.
Z can be independent.
Yeah, Z can be independent, right?
Yes.
If I can expand Z without increasing the height, right?
Yeah.
I can expand Z without making the box wider, right?
Yes.
So those are constants. So treat them just like the numbers that we don't know.
Z is independent.
The only thing that varies is Z and sigma, right?
Sigma.
So derivative of the left would be sigma dot.
Yes.
Now we're going to use implicit differentiation where Z is our only variable. So what's the derivative of 2xy? Remember, these are constants.
0.
Nice.
What?
So smart with
Because we think that it's
Witchcraft.
constants.
The derivative of zy.
Oh, so that would be.
You can't.
Think of y as though it's a constant.
Zero.
What's the derivative
We
of
still
z?
have Z.
You're
Right.
One. One.
Chain rule,
Okay, so
one,
Z, no, it'd
one
be,
Z
dot.
dot.
What?
right, so Y, Z.
Hold on.
Z
Just
prime.
Z
Z prime.
dot?
Yeah.
Times y.
It's just
No,
one
the z, the y is still there.
Oh, okay, so
So
Y.
Z dot Y.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Z prime.
Yeah.
How about the next one?
Then you're gonna have
Zero.
Z dot 2X.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. This is some witchcraft.
All right. Next one.
Here's a little weird one.
It's a little weird one.
So you're gonna bring your 2 down. and
Bring
you
the
have
2 down.
2 pi,
2
pi, 3 over 2. Oh, wait, that's a Z.
It's a Z.
Now
I'm
what?
doing my best.
Now I reduce the power by 1, right? And then what do I
Z
do?
over 2, right?
And then you pull out your Z nine,
What do I do when I do the power rule,
your chain rule.
the chain rule, right?
So the derivative.
but I don't know.
Would that just be
The
Z
zero.
dot over 2?
Yeah.
I guess.
This is crazy.
Yeah, I'm.
I need Griffin on my test.
I'll draw a little picture of Griffin on your test.
Oh,
Bill helps a lot.
It'll be me in my giraffe costume.
yeah.
I'll have to see that.
Be a
Okay.
Yeah, I got a giraffe onesie for Scrabble Day. It's like you have to dress as
Okay, so
something
then it's
that's,
just
like
the
the same
pi,
letters
y,
every
z.
time. So you would
Yeah.
have to dress as something that's like a W
Or an
or an
S.
S, and then
Whatever
C.
you want.
Or you could be Will Pacini and go with P.
No, you can't.
Yeah, Will Pacini doesn't sound good.
So, just like us. You can do.
Just come as a Scrabble board.
Scrabble.
What are you, Scrabble?
It's just like, you know how Scrabble has letters?
I'm just gonna.
Yeah,
show
just-
It's just that.
What if, I'm just gonna show up in sweats on the t-shirt. Just be like, yeah, I'm a marathon runner.
I'm Marvel.
I'm trying
What are
to
you gonna do?
I identify.
Yeah, you're like, I'm a man.
I could do that. I'm a man.
Yeah.
I could do that too for Moran. I am man.
Don't you have to do your first name?
No, I'm wearing my dress.
First name. Where you?
Jura.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Last time I was,
Agent. P.
Oh my god, I can be Perry. Yes, I can. Agent P.
Agent A.
Agent.
No, it starts with, yeah, it's Agent.
What is it?
But his name starts with P.
His name's
Right, but
Perry.
his name is Agent Perry.
No, that's his agent name.
Agent!
It's P.
That's just like
No,
saying
no,
if I was a doctor, I could go something to D because I'm
Then I'll just,
Dr.
then
Moran.
I'll just go
No.
as, then I'll just.
No,
But
then I'll just
Dr.
go as
Mario-
Agent, and I'll go as that
No.
specific agent.
no,
Agent Perry.
no,
Yes.
no.
You guys are being very mean right now.
P.
okay,
Yes.
let's finish this, okay?
It started with P.
Okay.
Like Potter.
All right, so
you have your derivatives.
that's pretty much it. The only thing,
Wait, did that actually,
Wait, what happened?
did the trade actually happen?
Not good.
Wait, what happened?
he's like, this is future news.
Chris Paul for like, it would be what's his name?
Your cat.
The dude from Spain who I thought was like 35 was like 26.
What, the good
Oh,
one?
you do,
On the
oh, you're just
Suns.
giving us, okay.
What's his name?
Bitch
He was on the
Saldo?
Timberwolves and
Wait, how is Z prime 1/4?
And so you want to buy?
Shoot.
I don't know,
Yeah.
units per
It's
second.
just given.
Right.
Wait a minute.
It's
Okay, so are we plugging in?
Yeah,
Plug and
Okay.
chug.
Ricky Rubio.
We got
Oh.
1,
It'd be
4,
like Ricky Rubio and they said maybe.
so notice they all have a Z dot, notice they all have a Z dot.
yeah.
So let's just multiply everything by 1/4 at the end and factor that out.
Oh, okay.
Trade
That's
Schroeder for Dane Green.
Oh, that's actually
Which makes me
smart.
sad,
Okay, okay.
because I
So
love
then we have
Schroeder.
8
That was 20 points.
plus
Dane Green.
2x, which is 20,
Mm-hmm.
plus 2 pi
2 pi.
divided by, well, that one's 1/8.
Pi
Or 1/8.
2
5,
pi.
So do you divide that by 2 twice?
It's Z. So there's 5/2.
Right, then that's
Oops.
yeah.
Yeah, that's
It
right.
should be 5.
You don't know how
It
good
should be five.
Hades is.
Oh, right, okay.
5 5 plus 5 5.
Wait,
They do
wait, wait.
that, they'd have to trade like.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
share.
5 5.
All they're doing.
5 pi. But then, what do you do
That's
with that
what
other
they said the
2?
Lakers last year.
Uh,
So, you know.
1/8.
Like, the other.
You divided
you
by,
have to make
you
that one
divided,
specific.
oh, I thought that was 10 for some reason.
No.
Yeah, that's, it should be 5/2, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah, but if you multiply by 2,
But there's a 2 under here, so he cancels 2.
17.2.
5/2 pi.
That would, cause he could mentor him really.
Plus
well.
8 pi?
Like he did with the Thunder
Yeah,
and then him, DeAndre Ayton healthy,
Okay, so
they could be
here's-
very, very good.
That makes sense to me.
And that would also keep me around, cause he's.
Oh, my calculator was not on.
What do you got going on here?
TC, KCP. the-
Trying to figure out.
option with the Lakers.
That'd be an eighth, 5/8, right? And
I
2,
was gonna say that I know you're using. But you got 2, 5. Oh, you just.
Look at that, 21.
yeah, that's a 21.
Gosh dang, I cleared it.
Great clear.
Great clear.
Is that 5?
What I say?
That's 21. Oh,
Great clear.
15.24, roughly.
let me see.
I got 17.
I just divided everything by 4.
What'd you get?
15.24?
Yeah, or 2.5.
Let me put that in and make sure I got this set up right.
If I did that math right.
Russell Westbrook to the Knicks. Knicks.
So that would be the exact answer. This is the approximation.
He does.
What? How'd you get that number?
15.25.
Well,
Well,
What
I'm
did
just
you
better.
get?
I'm just better.
Oh, 30 something.
I'm just different. Divide by 2.
you
You
gotta
have to
get,
divide by 2 for some.
Oh, then I
you
got that.
got to,
Well, I got 15.11.
And I don't know what you did. Oh,
You-
I did,
7 plus pi times 21 over 8.
yeah,
Yeah, 7 plus
Okay, now I
21
got
over.
it.
so plus 21 pi.
over 8.
yeah, 21 pi.
Oh.
That makes sense.
Is that easy?
Really?
Plus 7. Oh, I got that.
For like the gear. Well,
Easy, easy?
I have some
He
more.
cooked his man.
Cook me.
Cook it.
Stop.
Oh, it's so warm. It's burning.
Are we good?
Yeah, it's a possibility.
Okay.
What?
Hard and shit.
Barely possible to live.
Hmm,
Harris Silver,
My hand
Garrett
is
Allen,
cooking.
and Spencer
Yeah.
Dinwiddie made
Probably Germany two quarters.
it.
Germany led.
Kind of instant.
no, let me try it this way.
Wait a minute. You tried to draw
Yeah.
again? Wait a minute.
What is this?
Why are these lines?
Too long.
Yeah, but Kyrie and James Harden are not.
Trying to get it right. Ah,
Unless
They
can
both
get
need the
really-
ball to do
They
something.
need really good chemistry.
Cube.
Yeah, no,
What is this
that's-
supposed to
Kevin
be?
Durant, Kyrie again, I
This is
think
hard.
that
Well, if it's hard for you, then there's no
Kyrie
way I'm
might get
getting
hurt
it.
again
So.
with his injury.
Is this a,
And they have no bench, so if one of them gets
I'm
hurt-
trying to do this.
oh my god, it's like a little,
But both of you are healthy, you know, we have good chemistry.
it's a drink carrier.
A
He just starts
canister?
walking on it.
Carrier.
That's tough.
That looks awful.
You know, you should just die.
It actually is not that bad.
Wait, can I just say it looks kind of like a sad guy? Can you see
I
it?
see that not at all.
No, but wait,
It's a square base, okay?
pardon me. Wait, look, okay, before you did that, he had little eyes here, little closed eyes, and then little mouth.
Where do you see that?
No, no, no.
I just told you.
Ah,
Oh, now I can
Little
see it.
sad eyes, little mouth.
No, I can't see it now, but when it was before, I can see it.
I can see it still.
I can't.
I have the vision.
Artist.
I can't draw this.
No, definitely not.
Yeah, this is a no-go for us. We're just gonna do the equation.
do you
Wait,
see what I'm trying to draw?
You have to draw one of these on each of our papers. So that we
What is
have-
it supposed to be?
It's
It's like,
It's a square base, okay? And then
what?
it's got,
Oh, is it like a dish?
it's like a dish. It's like a casserole dish.
Yes. Okay.
Wait,
The
what?
rounded kind.
Rounded corners.
They rounded corners.
Yes,
We're
rounded.
bottom.
Oh, wait, I was looking at
Rounded
like
corners.
the square. with
Does that make sense?
towards me.
Absolutely.
no.
It was weird. I see it better.
Now I see it.
So these are straight.
You print that out and.
What?
You print that out.
Print it out?
Yeah, make little cutouts so we can put them in our house.
Later I will,
None of
yeah.
us can draw that.
Sure.
Is that a challenge, Adrian?
Are you challenging me?
So
Absolutely.
Are you?
I want to know the volume of this
I
thing.
just do not even square. It's hard.
How am I gonna do this without?
Volume?
It's a square base, so we'll say
Time for a rough sketch.
this is X.
Is that like a quarter of a cylinder?
Not a cylinder. It's a altogether. It makes half of a sphere.
What?
Oh, see, it's throwing me off because those sides are like straight, so I want to see how it can make a sphere.
If I took
So it's
What?
a quarter. Oh wait, no, it's not a quarter.
The freak.
those, you know,
Yeah, that would be half of a sphere.
put those two together, you've got a quarter,
Sphere.
and then put those two and you get
Okay,
half of
yeah.
a sphere.
I was just looking at like the side with X on it.
Is this going to be on the test?
This, yes.
The shape.
It'll take us so long.
Mrs. tells us everything's gonna be on this test.
That is true. So this will be on the test, and then it's not on the test. And we're like,
Stop exposing me.
well, that. But then you're like,
You didn't hear it from me yet.
yeah. But then something's on the test that we didn't go, and we're like, wait a minute, what's this? Not your fault. We were just not educated and informed.
Oh, the logs.
Yeah, the law.
Look, that
Oh,
guy's just like.
Nate was educated and informed about the not solving for X part. He still solved for X.
Yeah.
So,
I was not educated or informed.
Can we get the volume then?
Yeah.
you can.
I mean,
One.
I don't know how, but you definitely can.
That's why I have the instant Bobby
You
Wasabi.
can, but do you
He's
really
not
want you?
That's why I have Bobby Wasabi.
What is the height?
What? That's a lot of X.
What is the height? How would we figure that out?
I have no idea.
Okay, but hold on, we're looking at it
Is
from the
that
bottom,
radius?
aren't we?
Radius of the,
Yes. We're looking at it from the bottom.
Yeah, what is this?
yeah, what's that height for? Like,
Bobby
Well, if it
Wasabi.
makes a sphere,
yeah, so it's a quarter of the radius. And
Oh, I see. So that's like that's quarter of a
X
circle.
square R,
what's that?
X square R,
Square
Over
R?
Doesn't look the same for me.
X square
You're a
R.
freak.
Over 4.
No, that is
Okay, so let's
the
call,
square in the middle.
yeah, the square in the middle is X, right?
Yeah, so X,
Yeah, we got that, but that's
X.
Well, we have, what do we know? What do we know?
so very little.
I guess I have to give you something, don't I?
Yeah,
You
Yeah.
definitely need to give us something.
All right, fine, radius.
Probably the volume.
what's that? Y,
R.
R, so X square R is the middle.
Hold on. What
square
is the
volume.
R?
Yeah, okay, so you're saying this middle piece up to
Yeah.
here
But R is the height.
is X squared in the base,
Yeah, and then
and then
R.
multiplied by R.
Yeah.
Yes.
Hmm.
Hold on.
So that's the middle
R.
Wait.
rectangle.
But isn't that only of like that part in the middle?
Yes.
But then that's
So
not
then how do you
accurate,
get like
right?
a
Because it,
curvature?
yeah, because it
Well,
curves out.
what happens? What happens if I take this and I snap it together with this?
You
It
get a
would
whole
make sphere
Oh,
shape.
You gotta have.
But then what the freak?
What is that?
What the freak?
So then the yeah, no, I'm still lost.
That is how I'm lost now. Wait.
Okay, how do we got it, guys? How do we solve for semicircles?
Oh, I get it
Cylinder,
now, I
cylinder,
get it.
right?
It's the size.
Cylinder.
It's the
R
size.
squared times height.
I get it now.
R squared.
Yep. Think of it as like the square base in the middle, and then that goes to the
Don't
side.
think of it how I want to think of it.
Yeah, Nate, don't tell me how to think.
Well, I'm gonna
Freedom
walk
to
out then.
think.
Freedom of speech. I say whatever I want.
Wait, so are we
Freedom of
looking at it from?
It's the
We're
size.
looking at it from the bottom. Okay, hold on.
What?
I see it now.
So we took
I
it,
see it now. You're
but
not.
we made
You're
it look a
not.
little weird.
If you take this shell, it's a cylinder. If you connect it with,
Wait, they're all equidistant. Never mind. Duh.
Move back a little,
You see it now?
Not whatever you said.
a little more.
It's.
I see the truth.
Thank you.
I see what it really is.
so how do I find the volume of
Your
a
fault.
cylinder?
That is not.
Pi R squared times height. So
You
it
got.
would
You
be
got.
yeah.
Over 2.
Oh, bro.
Well, I have this piece, I have this piece, I have this piece, and this piece.
What?
Over 4. All over 4.
Well,
Back 2.
how much of a cylinder is this piece?
Quarter.
Quarter.
And how many of those equivalent pieces do I have?
1.
Quarter.
2.
4.
Four.
Oh, wait,
Six.
no,
Four.
four.
So it's 1. It's 1.
It's a full cylinder, right?
Oh my god.
Oh, what the
Wait, so we're
what?
saying the ones on the top too?
These ones?
used to-
Yeah. Yeah, they're the same dimensions, right?
Yeah, okay.
Yes.
But
Yeah,
those
like-
ones were rated as.
No.
How long the little circle? Marty.
Yeah, now we need the spherical parts, right? What's the volume of a sphere?
Have
We-
you
have you ever done
cube spheres?
I've
Four
never
over 3
done
pi over
anything.
2.
I've never
What's
done a
that?
sphere, I don't think.
4 over 3 pi over cube.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Hold on, so now we're solving for the little circle that the edges make?
yeah, but
Didn't that make only half of it?
it does only
All
make
over
half. Yeah, so
4 over 6.
yes,
So 2 over 3.
a squeaky 6.
Y'all.
Oh, squeaky 6s. So wouldn't that
I'm
just
gonna
be?
need it.
Can we get rid of the 3?
What 3?
Never mind.
Hold on.
Yeah, we doubled the denominator to have the.
So we
Never
took out
mind.
these little corner guys, and we said,
That makes a hemisphere.
They make
Oh.
sense.
okay, we said,
So we.
look, like this. But then, what is the 4/6?
It's 4/3 pi r cubed is the area of a sphere.
Over, there's a.
Half of
over-
that,
Oh, I
Would
didn't
be-
know that.
you didn't know that?
Yeah,
I mean,
I've
like,
never done a sphere.
I know it, I just don't.
How do you not know the area of a, or the
Look.
volume of a sphere?
When have I
Never
been
done it,
taught in
I'll
my life? They mention it every year.
Pretty
But
sure
they
you
never
told us that earlier this year.
I just said they mention it every year, but they never teach it. I've never
Yeah,
had
have we ever
it
done a
ingrained in
sphere?
my brain. I've always been reminded that 4/3 is whatever.
All
I know how to do like everything except a sphere. Like,
Okay, hold on. So
What about a
4/3 is the sphere, and then
5 triangles.
we
So,
multiply the
yeah.
bottom by
No.
2 because
You only have half of a sphere.
Triangle.
oh, because we just have the
Triangle.
bottom of the sphere.
Hex or pentagon.
Gotcha. Let me break this down before I'm done and I forget it.
It's actually 8
That
triangles.
Pentagon is just made of.
3 triangles. So
Okay, hold on.
8 triangles total.
So you get your 4/3, but then
Now we're
Now
thinking.
we're
minus
thinking.
1/2 because
Now
only half.
everything can go back to a triangle
Okay,
except the sphere.
here we go.
So I'm gonna make a deeper dish.
A deep dish. A deep.
So I'm
Little Caesars?
I'm gonna increase the radius. Because that's the depth of the dish, right?
We have 5 minutes.
So quickly, take the derivative of v with respect to r.
2x.
With respect to r.
So 2x.
So you treat everything else like a constant?
Yeah,
Okay.
2x.
nope,
No. Wait, not 2x?
not true.
It would be.
R, x is a
squared
constant.
R dot
I'd be r
Yeah.
dot, but then,
X squared r dot.
okay.
Yeah.
Plus pi R dots.
2 pi r dot.
Oh, yeah, I'm stupid.
Yeah, you are.
Ah,
Wait, how come that first one
Oh,
is it?
3.
Well, we introduced a random.
Wait, hold on.
Pi and x are constants.
You lose a plus sign in the between. Oh, wait, never mind. Never mind.
Okay, hold on.
Never mind.
Pi and x are constants.
So those
And
just stay.
Since you have r squared, you have
Bring
to
the
take
2
out
down.
an r.
Reduce the
Gotcha.
power. Chain rule.
wow.
Is that actual time?
This is all coming together.
What's your question?
Yeah. So that would be 2 pi r x r dot.
2 pi r x r dot. Yeah,
Okay.
Next, now you're gonna have 12/6, so you got 2.
good,
2 pi r squared r dot.
good,
Oh, look at me go.
Good job.
excellent.
Yeah, I could have done. I couldn't.
And then I'd give you values to plug in.
Well,
Right.
well, I got 2 pi r dot for the first one. Or 2
You have
2x
2x.
r dot.
Relative?
Related, rated.
Oops.
Related, rated.
Rates.
Rated R.
This is related
Sounds
rates.
like Raider.
Rated R for children.
Rated
R for mature
audience.
Rated R
Yeah.
for mutilated walruses.
All right, so this is essentially implicit differentiation. The application being related rates. So we'll practice implicit as well. So the topics are the mean value theorem, Rolle's theorem,
Ooh.
Really?
Oh, that was from so.
implicit differentiation,
One word.
related rates, and optimization.
We use all that in this.
No,
this
no,
is
no.
for the test.
This is the whole test topic.
Oh, I was gonna say, man. I'm like, there's no way we used all that in that one. I'm like,
It's like, all I did was different.
The
I'm like,
things,
all I did was use my cover.
because of the crunch on time, the things we're going to have to get to later after this test would be Newton's method,
Wait, this is stuff that we'll be learning next.
right, after the test.
Okay,
Newton's
so not-
method.
Newton's method, basically what's called linearization.
That's
That's basically you find the tangent line to a point on a curve. We've already done stuff like that.
I'm not gonna say that sounds easy because I feel like I'm just gonna.
Hey, don't say it.
But it's okay.
And it is easy.
Whoa, you say a lot of things are easy.
It's all easy, isn't
You
it?
say that finding the volume of the sphere is
In
easy.
your mind, here's where I am now. On the streets,
He was.
and I can't find an area of a sphere.
Yeah, that's it.
2022 first round pick, Ty Jerome, Ricky Rubio, Kelly Oubre, and Jalen LeCue for this. And
Ricky Rubio's good.
Can I?
like Joe Ingles goaded.
Right, Joey was his